Welcome back, aviation enthusiasts. Today we're doing something extra special. We're plane spotting at one of the busiest airports in India, Mumbai International Airport. We'll be spotting some incredible aircraft, from Boeing 737s to the massive Airbus A320. Whether you're a seasoned spotter or a newcomer to the world of aviation, this video is for you. So grab your binoculars and let's take off into the skies. Our first aircraft today is with a relatively new airline, Akasa Air. Based in India, Akasa has been making waves in the aviation industry since its launch. Here we have their Boeing 737 MAX 8, registration vidoe. With a sleek design and a 5.9-year age, this aircraft is relatively young and efficient. This MAX 8 is on its way from Mumbai to Lucknow, a quick 1 hour and 51 minutes flight. Next up, we have a classic, Emirates Airlines, and here's their majestic Boeing 777-31HER, registration A6EGA. This aircraft is 15 years old, but it still shines like it's fresh out of the factory. Emirates is renowned for its service and luxury, and this long-range beauty flies from Mumbai to Dubai, a 2 hour and 45-minute flight. Emirates 777s are built for comfort, with spacious cabins and modern amenities that make long-haul flights a breeze. The 777 series is truly a workhorse for international airlines around the world. Now let's talk about India's flagship carrier, Air India. First, we have their Airbus A320-251N, registration VT-TQA, flying from Mumbai to Chandigarh. This aircraft is relatively new at just 4.4 years old, and it's the perfect choice for domestic flights within India. A quick 2 hour and 1 minute journey with this beauty. Now for something a bit more unique, this Boeing 777-3 Q8ER, operated by Turkish Airlines but under the Indigo banner. With a registration of TCLKD, this aircraft is quite the sight. At 15.9 years old, this bird has been flying long routes like the one from Mumbai to Istanbul for over 5 hours. But did you know this aircraft also operates under the Turkish Airlines brand for international flights? Here's another Air India A320, registration VTRTP, which is just 1.4 years old. This one is doing a quick flight from Mumbai to Thiruvananthapuram, lasting only 47 minutes. Short, sweet, and efficient. Up next, we have the majestic Airbus A350-900, the pride of Air India's international fleet. Registration VTJRB, this aircraft is only 1.5 years old. It's a real game changer for Air India, flying from Delhi to London with a flight time of nearly 9 hours. And yes, it used to fly from Mumbai to Delhi, but now it flies this longer, more efficient route. Look at the aerodynamic shape of the A350. This aircraft was designed with efficiency and comfort in mind. Whether you're flying in business class or economy, this jet offers a smooth ride across long distances. Finally, we have the stunning Boeing 787-9, Dreamliner operated by Etihad Airways, registration A6-BLX. This aircraft, at 6.1 years old, is perfect for long-haul travel. Flying from Mumbai to Abu Dhabi, this 2-hour and 35-minute journey is made in absolute comfort, thanks to the Dreamliner's advanced features. Etihad's Dreamliners are known for their smooth flight characteristics, quieter cabins, and better fuel efficiency. It's no wonder the Dreamliner is such a popular choice for premium airlines worldwide. Well, folks, that's all the time we have today for this exciting plane spotting adventure here in Mumbai. From the newest jets to the iconic long haulers, we've seen some incredible aircraft today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you did, and subscribe for more plane spotting content from around the world. Let us know in the comments which aircraft you'd like to see next. Until then, keep your eyes on the skies and happy spotting.